Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope you're doing well considering everything going on in the stock market today. But today we're going to talk about the stock market crash, what's going on there, and stocks that you need to keep an eye out for, stocks that I bought recently with the massive dip we are seeing. So one stock in particular that we're going to talk about today is stock ticker symbol TPGY. It's called TPG Pace Beneficial in their merger with EVBox. This company right now has a lot of potential, in my opinion. It dropped significantly today after the whole market was down. It's down about 14%, 15%, depending on when you're looking at it. And I think this is a stock that you definitely need to add to your watch list or add more of. I did it myself. And we're going to talk about everything you need to know about EVBox, how they're the largest charging station and charging port company in Europe, how they're looking to expand into the US. We're going to talk about how many investors see it already being, and how it should be valued about $49.32. And we're going to talk about everything else you need to know about the company and the stock market as of today, what's going on, why the market's down, and everything else you need to know. So if you enjoy this sort of content, you find it helpful, well then make sure to like the video down below, subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I post a new video, and comment down below your thoughts on TPGY and their merger with EVBox. For those who are new here, my name is Michael. I'm an investor and entrepreneur. Last year, our public investing account on Patreon, which is currently sitting around $700,000, was up over 105% for 2020. This year, our goal is to get that account to $1 million. We're well on our way to doing that. And if you like to see the stocks I invest in real time, when I buy a stock, when I sell a stock, if you want exclusive content that I don't share on YouTube, access to our Discord, be able to message me about any stocks that you're thinking about, well, then make sure to join our group using the link down below. We have a great time over there. We have limited number of spots left. And if you're interested, make sure to join our community over there. But anyways, right now, a lot of people are saying that TPGY and its merger with EVBox, this company is extremely undervalued. And they're saying that since this company is the largest charging station company in Europe, it has a lot of potential. And I agree. Over the last 5 days, this stock has really plummeted. And many of the stocks, many of the SPACs, and these very high risk, high reward stocks have dropped significantly as well. So in the last 5 days, this stock is down about 22.8%. And I think it's a great time to buy in. I just bought more of it the other day, actually earlier in this morning as well. And what you need to know, what's important about them, is that EVBox, I've mentioned this stock before, but it is the largest EV charging company in Europe. It has over 200,000 charging points installed, 5,000 fast charging stations globally. It's in over 70 countries, and it's by far the leading company in Europe. No other company comes even close to it in terms of the number of charging points and fast charging stations. One thing I like about them in particular is not only are they market leader in Europe, and Europe is pushing for a lot of policies and regulations to push more for EVs and sustainable energy, but they're also looking to enter the US market. And right now, since it has more charging stations and more charging points than any other company, its valuation is actually relatively low in comparison to its competitors, such as, let's say, a ChargePoint. If it had the same multiple as ChargePoint did, right now TPG stock would be worth about $49.32. This is really because a lot of these charging station companies like ChargePoint, EVgo, they don't have a lot of charging stations out there. EVgo has less than 1,000 fast charging stations across the US, and that's it. And their valuation isn't much lower than EVBox, but EVBox has 200,000. So EVgo, less than 1,000. EVBox has, hundreds of thousands of charging points. They have thousands of fast charging stations. So you really can't compare them in terms of revenue right now, or in terms of how many stations they have. EVBox is the clear leader. Other companies are, catching up. They're doing well. But EVBox is the clear leader. And for that reason, that's why I really like the company. They're generating a significant amount of revenue already. It's not just an idea company or people think it's going to do well. It already is doing well. And as long as they continue on their track, continue to maintain a high market share in Europe, I think we're going to continue to see the stock price rise. And after the 20 to 30% drop we've seen recently, it's really a great time to get in. So EVBox, they projected some revenue for the next couple of years. And they're projecting in Europe that their revenue by, let's say, revenue by geography by 2023 should be about 372 million euros. They're projecting 74% increase year over year in terms of revenue, and they're projecting that their North American market is going to be growing from about 70 million euros in 2020 to over not 70 million euros, but 70 million euros in total in 2020 to 372 million euros total in 2023. They expect North America to really pick up as well, because right now they're just starting to enter that market. In addition to this, they're also looking to grow their software and service business. Right now, for software, the company, they have a mobile app, and they're planning to develop mobile software to accompany their products. And they estimate that these software and these services will increase margins in the coming years. And their current software includes Everon EV charging app, which allows users to find and pay for nearby charging stations. And right now, EVBox is just a clear leader. They have more charging stations. They have better software. They have more fast charging stations. Clear leader in Europe, and they're looking to expand into the US. So as long as you think there are going to be more electric vehicles, there's going to have to be more charging stations, and EVBox is already clearly ahead of its competitors. I think it's going to continue to stay that way, and they're going to continue to grow. So anyways, that's my thoughts on EVBox. It was recently on CNBC, and Jim Cramer said it was his favorite charging station company out of the three big ones. But let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think about EVBox, their merger with TPGY, if you're invested in it, and just your thoughts in general. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600, when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.